Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be giving you a tour of my kitchen garden as a city girl. So as you can see, I have some kale here. So kale is sukuma wiki. Um, as you can see, the ones at the back there, those ones are a bit mature. They've been around for quite some months. While these ones here, I just planted them like 2 weeks ago, and as you can see, they're doing very well. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, I also have some spinach and some traditional vegetables. Yeah. So I hope this video inspires you to have a kitchen garden of your own. Yeah. Even as we embrace these tough economic times. Thank you for watching, and bye.